Well, this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to toggle on or off the location permissions for your Xiaomi phone apps. Just go to settings right here. And when you go to settings, going down to apps. Now go to permissions. Go to permissions here. And then going down to location. So a bunch of these apps, you can use your location. So like camera, if you want to remove the location, just go to don't allow or set it to allow while using this app. So depending on the application you're using, just go to it, then go to allow while using this app, or you can set it to all the time. So if you got like Life 360 or something like that, you might only want it running when you have the app open, or you can have it run all the time in the background. So here's YouTube. Just give it the location permission and you will be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.